Hello, I'm Carolyn, and I'm here to take you through the routine of You Can't Stop the Beat. Some of my ladies have already learnt some of this in class, but I will go over the whole routine, so those of you that want to give it a go, have not done it before, this is your opportunity. Before we start, don't forget, make sure that you've got plenty of space around you, at least 6 feet worth of space, and don't forget up as well, because we will be moving our arms. Watch your lights as well. Comfortable clothing. Make sure you've got some water or a drink with you so that if you need to, you can stop at any time. Before you do the dance, it's always good to do a warm-up first. So make sure that you're nice and warm before you actually start doing the dance. I'm going to be breaking it down into sections. I'll be dancing the section first and then breaking down the steps for you into different sections, and then at the end I'll show you the whole routine. I hope you enjoy it. Hello, today we're going to do the routine as far as we learned in class before the lockdown. Here we go.
You can't stop an avalanche as it races down the hill. You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know we never will. And you can try to stop my dancing feet, but I just cannot stand still. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round, and my heart's keeping time to the speed of sound. I was lost till I heard the drum, and I found my way. 'Cause you can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began, a woman found out and she shook it, shake up a man. So I'm gonna shake and shimmy the best that I can today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean, of the sun and the sky. You can wonder if you wanna, but I never inquire. And if you try to hold me down, I'm gonna spit in your eye and say that you can't stop the beat. You can't stop a river.
So we're going to learn the steps that I've just demonstrated for the first part of the routine. And we're going to start walking forward, 4 steps with our right foot first. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. You step to the side, step, bring the feet together, then a bit quicker, step together, step. Repeat that to the other side. Step together, step together, step. Clap up. 1, 2, down, 3, 4. From there, 4 more walks forward. Right foot, right, left, right, left. You twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's that section. Should we go over that again? Here we go. 4 walks forward and 1, 2, 3, 4. Side together, step. Side together, step. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 walks. 2, 3, 4. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 2, 3, 4. You go from there round to there, round to there, 3 and 4 there. That's the whole verse. Once more and then we'll go into the chorus from the beginning. Ready, and walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step together, step together, step. Other side, step together, step, clap. Up, down. 4 walks and 1, 2, 3, 4. And twist, and other side, and arms go round, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good.
Shake up a man, so I'm gonna shake and shimmy the best that I can today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean, of the sun.
know that might be slightly different. Up to you, do whatever you want to do. But I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before that, a bit I missed out, you do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that leads you into the chorus. So let's go from there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, turly, whirlies. Clap, cross, quash, mash, potato, twirly. From there, you're going to take your arm up and over. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 2, 3. First side again. 2. Then we do this one again. 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole chorus. Here we go. And into it you've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. Cross, cross, mash, potato, twirly, whirly, slap. Clap, cross, cross, mash, potato, twirly, whirly. Arm goes round, 3 and 4. Other way. 2, 3, 4. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From there, all you have to do is walk round, have a little rest, 8 counts, and then a few marks on the spot, ready to start the next section, which we will do next time. Hello again. Back for some more steps. This follows on from your walk round.
You can't stop the river as it rushes to the sea.
You can try to stop the hands of time, but you know it just can't be.
And if they try to stop us seaweed, I'll call the NAACP. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round, and the world keeps time with the speed of sound. I heard there's wrongs and I found my way. 'Cause you can't stop the beat. Ever since we first saw the light, I met a woman like to shake it on a Saturday night.
Okay, so those were the new steps, a new verse. Now I'm going to go through the steps slowly so you can work them out. Okay, so before you go into this section, you've walked round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you've got time to prepare whatever you want to do for 8 counts. We do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, other way, and 6, 7, into the shadow step. 1, 2, 3, 4, wind the bobbin up, I call it. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You step forward and cross and back and side, wind the bobbin up, down, and hold. And then on You Can't Stop the Beat, you do You Can't Stop the Beat. Again, that bit. You can't stop the beat. Good. Should we do that from the beginning of that section? So you've walked round, had a little rest on the spot, and we do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, shadow step and forward and cross and back and side, wind the bobbin up, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step forward, cross, back, side, wind, up. Now you step to the side, take your arms up and down, and hold. You can't stop the beat. Here's some more new steps for you. This is the next chorus, and it comes after You Can't Stop the Beat. So we'll go from there, and then I'll do the chorus for you, and then I'll break it down.
'cause you can't stop the beat.
You can't stop my happiness, 'cause I like.
Okay, so now we're going to go over those steps slowly. We'll go from you can't stop the beat round 3, 4. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Back into you can't stop the beat. 2, 3, 4, and round. 2, 3, 4, and round. 2, 3, 4. Stop. This you can't stop is a bit different. You do you can't stop the. Instead of going up and round, you're going to take your arms up. And as you do that, you're going to step back, step, step. It's called a drag step, step, step. 4 of them. And then we'll do it again. The whole thing from that section. So from you can't stop the beat, it goes you can't stop the beat. 2, 3, 4. Arm goes round. 2, 3, 4. Other arm. 2, 3, 4, and stand, and you can't stop the beat. 2, 3, 4. Arms round. 2, 3, 4. Round. 2. This one's slightly different, remember. Stand. You can't stop the drag. Step, step, drag. Step, step, drag. Step, step, drag. And wait. Next time, we're going to put the whole dance together because the last verse and chorus is virtually the same as the first one. Here's your full you can't stop the beat routine. Here we go. And
You can't stop an avalanche as it races down the hill. You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know you never will. And you can try to stop my dancing feet, but I just cannot stand still. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round, and my heart keeping time to the speed of sound. I was lost till I heard the drums, and I found my way. 'Cause you can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began, a woman found out that she shake it, shake it, shake up a man. So I'm gonna shake and shimmy the best that I can today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean, of the sun and the sky. You can wonder if you wanna, but I know that I'm right. And if you try to hold me down, I'm gonna spit in your eye and say that you can't stop the beat. You can't stop the river as it rushes to the sea.
You can try to stop the hands of time, but you know it just can't be.
And if they try to stop us, seaweed, I'll call the NAACP. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round, and the world keeps time with the speed of sound. I heard their drums and I found my way. 'Cause you can't stop the beat. Ever since we first saw the light, I met a woman like to shake it on a Saturday night. So I'm gonna shake and shimmy it with all my might today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean or the rain from above. You can try to stop the paradise we're dreaming of, but you can't stop the rhythm of two hearts in love to stay. 'Cause you can't stop the beat.
You can't stop my happiness, 'cause I like the way I am. And you just can't stop my knife and fork when I see a Christmas ham. So if you don't like the way I look, well, I just don't give a damn. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round, and my heart's keeping time to the speed of sound. I was lost till I heard those drums, till I found my way. 'Cause you can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began, a woman found out that she shook it, she can shake up a man. So I'm gonna shake and shimmy it the best that I can today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sun and the sky.